Students, I have come with resonance based problems which is important for the CBSE students. The problem is write the resonance structure of acetate and show it using curved arrows. This is problem. You have to write the resonance structures of acetate and to show the transfer of electrons or delocalization of electron using curved arrows. The answer is first you write the structural formula for acetate ion. This is acetate ion. Now put the unshared electron pair like this. This is acetate ion. You know this is carbon oxygen double bond. It will shown by curved arrows as this carbon oxygen double bond. The delocalization of electron takes place according to curved arrows. So you see like this CS3, see this is acetate ion. It carries double negative charge. This is unstable structure, unstable part. I show to you only to understand the migration of the electrons. Otherwise, no need to show it. Now, in second phase, this goes over here. The curve line show the transfer of electron. So this transfer of electron is in this lone pair. So you get the structure like this. CH3, C, it becomes double bond, C, C and C. This is the second and this is the first. So acetate ion has got two resonating structures, first and second. Both contribute to a resonance hybrid shown as you see that a negative charge disperses over two oxygen atoms. A negative charge disperses over two oxygen atoms. So each oxygen atom carries minus half charge. So this is the resonance hybrid. Both resonating structures are equivalent. Both resonating structures are equivalent, so resonance is very effective. Both resonating structures, first and second, are equivalent. Hence, resonance is very effective. very effective in acetate ion. The second problem is, problem number 2 is, write the resonance structures of CH2 double bond CHO. This is propanol, IUPAC propanol. IUPAC name is propanol, and state the stability of each giving suitable region. Your molecule is, this is acryldehyde, or you can say propanol. It has so many resonating structures, which I am going to write it. So this is CH2 double bond CH. You write CHO like this. This is conjugated molecule. Both double bonds are separated by single bond, so it is conjugated. One structure may be written like this. It goes over here, produces positive charge. This shifts over here, creating CH2 positive, CH double bond, CH negative one. This one. The another possibility is, now see, this I am taking teaching aid to, this is teaching aid. In first case, the electron has first transferred from carbon to oxygen. Now I am going to shift in opposite direction. I allow this to shift over here and allow this to shift over here. So this will produce the structure like this: negative CH double bond C, oxygen, positive charge. This is H. This is third structure. This is second structure. This is first structure. Omit this small structure. इसको don't write it, just for teaching aid. For teaching aid only. So there are two possibilities of electron shift or electron delocalization. In first case from here, and in second case from here in opposite direction. So it gives you the third. The relative stability. Decreasing order of stability is, first is more stable than second, and second is more stable than third. So third is least stable, and this is most stable. Now I have to give regions. So you see the regions for each. First, in case of first, neutral molecule, non-polar molecule, no charge separation, number of covalent bond more, number of covalent bonds equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. We count again 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. This is 9. So now see the case. You write also most stable. Now see about second. Positive and negative, negative and positive. Charge separation exists. Charge separation exists. So it is less stable than first. So it is less stable than first. Number of covalent bond. Number of covalent bonds is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. 8 only. So number of covalent bond is less. Charge separation exists. So second is less stable than first. And about the third one. Third, charge separation exists. Charge separation exists. Secondly, positive charge is negative charge is on less. Negative charge on less electronegative atom. Octet of oxygen is incomplete. Therefore third is less stable. Thank you.